Transferring your number over to Telus is easy. Before you get started, you'll need your new Telus SIM card and your SIM card from your old service provider, as well as the previous provider's account number or the IMEI number. Make sure your current phone number remains active to complete the transfer. Keep the device you'll use with Telus nearby and ready to go when prompted. Here's how you do it. Log in at telus.com/transfer number. Then, select either the previous provider's account number or the IMEI number, depending on what you have on hand. A quick tip, it's easy to get your device's IMEI number by dialing *##06#. Click Get Started. Fill out the required information and make sure it's accurate. Review and confirm your transfer details. Once you hit Submit, you'll receive an SMS message from your old service provider to your old SIM card in your device. Reply Yes to the message within 90 minutes of receiving it to complete the transfer. Insert your new SIM card into the device you will use with Telus, and you'll receive a welcome message from Telus once your transfer is complete. This may take up to 2.5 hours. And just like that, you moved your number to Telus.